Welcome. Today I'll show you how you can watch VR videos on your Quest 3. Now, there's a couple different ways you can go about it. I'm just going to touch upon the ones that don't require too much searching and downloading. So, number one, we have the TV app from Meta themselves, which comes baked into the device that you can even remove it, which is a little bit annoying, but in any case, you can open that up. And in here, you can go to filter and search by, for instance, VR videos specifically. And we have a bunch of different VR videos. Now, they are not very long, and they're more like an experience rather than just like full-blown movies and stuff like that. And just kind of maybe show one. Here is one.
For the first time in 500 million years.
Now, that being said, this, let me just mute it. This is in VR, but on your end you won't really see it just because the way it's being recorded is just through a single eye, so obviously through a single eye it just looks flat. But it does have depth to it in the headset. And also in this one, probably motion sickness as well for some people. So that's one. Another way you could go is through Skybox VR. This one also has a section where you can watch videos from YouTube, for instance. So if we go to YouTube, you will find you can watch videos from here. And I believe this is just pulling them out, not through an account, but just like generic videos. So these are actually flat, and they're just allowing you to view them in like a big screen kind of format, which you can see right here. So yeah, as you can see, it is just a massive display. But because it's YouTube, the quality there is pretty good. And you also have the 360 videos, which still, I believe, are flat, but they allow you to kind of look around inside of it. So just as an example, we have one right here. And there it is. So it allows you to just look around. Another thing, quality, it's going to be set to I think 1080p, so I recommend maxing it out. It's still at 2160. It's still kind of blurry, so something to keep in mind. It's not necessarily like super sharp as you would expect from this headset. So 2160, it's an entire video, not per eye. This headset has per eye such a resolution almost, so you can imagine that we're basically getting half of the resolution capability of the headset, so it won't be as sharp. And obviously you can freely download any kind of 3D videos from the internet and watch those. For instance, movies, if you can find them on the open seas, you can most certainly watch those, for instance, through Skybox VR in its full 3D glory, kind of like an IMAX movie would be. So there we go. Now, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.